Well, hello, good people. Yes, I'm back already with another update on using Flux Controlnet Union on Invokeai. I missed a very crucial step, and I'm going to show you right here. Now, if you're wondering what the heck I'm talking about, make sure to check out my previous video on low VRAM mode for Invokeai. Anyway, I'm going to leave a link to the doc here, and once you get to the page here, scroll down, and there's a very critical part here that I totally missed. I guess I was too excited and totally disregarded this. So what you want to look for here is the working memory section. And the first thing you want to be aware of is, so the same Invokeai YAML file, you want to open that up and then copy this setting here. And basically this is going to prevent out of memory errors. Default is set to 3 as it says here. Bump it up to 4 to prevent OOMs. And that should help. So what that looks like, once again, go to your main Invokeai folder. In my case, it's my D drive. And in that folder, you'll see Invokeai YAML. Double click on it. You see here, I've put in device working memgb4. Make sure to save it. And then you want to go into the NVIDIA control panel. And here we're going to disable the NVIDIA system memory fallback. This is only for Windows, by the way. So basically we need to open up the control panel. You can just do that by going on your start menu and just type in NVIDIA. You should get the app, but there's also the NVIDIA control panel. You want to open that up. And then once you have it open, you want to go to 3D settings, manage 3D settings here. You'll get a dialog box on the right here. Click on the drop down and select this one, prefer no sysmem fallback, and then you'll have an option to apply. Now go ahead and try to run Flux with Controlnet Union. And for me, on an 8GB VRAM card, my first run was 117 seconds. And typically your first run is going to be a little bit longer. And then the second run, I got 104 seconds. Massive improvement from the 7 minutes I was getting yesterday. And then my third run, 106 seconds. So rejoice, low VRAM users. We can use Controlnet and Flux in Invokeai. You don't have to use Comfyui if you don't want to anymore. And we no longer have to wait for WebUI Forge to update. Not to mention, I'm a huge fan of the UI of Invokeai. Does in-painting great, out-painting great. It's such a beautiful, beautiful platform. Definitely my favorite platform for image generation. And if you're wondering what the heck I'm talking about, make sure to check out this video that explains the updates for low VRAM mode in Invokeai. Until the next video, my friends, I'll see you when I see you.